Quick creamy vegetable tomato pasta. Here's the recipe. 1 package whole wheat penne pasta, half package 4-ounce low-fat cream cheese, 2 cans tomato sauce, 5 tablespoons of water, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup mushrooms sliced, half a cup carrots sliced, 1 red pepper diced, 1 small onion chopped, 4 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano and basil, salt and pepper, and 1 cup mozzarella shredded on the top. Optional if you like. Here are the ingredients. We're going to cook the pasta according to package directions. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add onions and garlic and saute until tender. Add all vegetables and cook until tender. In a medium skillet on medium heat, pour in tomato sauce and water. Add cream cheese, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. Simmer for 10 minutes. Pour sauce over pasta and mix. Spread pasta on a plate and sprinkle with mozzarella cheese. Now let's get to cooking. So I don't know about y'all, but I've been using salt and water. We brought the water to a boil, added our whole wheat pasta, sauteed our onions and garlic. You're going to add all veggies and cook until tender. So here we're pouring in our carrots and our bell peppers. I would say add your carrots first. They're going to take the longest to cook. In a separate pan, heat tomato sauce and water. Add cream cheese, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper, and then simmer for 10 minutes. So here we've got everything going. We've got the pasta sauce simmering as well as our vegetables. And then this is the finished product, the pasta sauce, as well as our sauteed vegetables. You're going to add those, mix them all together. Then you can sprinkle some shredded mozzarella on top for taste if you like. Here is the finished product.